This is going to be a video on the Emerson CKS1507 alarm clock radio. I have this alarm clock for almost 4 years. I got this thing back in 2018. Now it's 2021. But the original video, I'm gonna delete it because I have so much like criticism with it, like, oh, you can see the buttons. And there you go, the buttons are there for you. Let's turn it on. There's the power button. And this is my local station, 101.1 WLJA. And this button here changes to aux, Bluetooth, which is this button. And back to the radio. This is the volume button. The up and down buttons are the volume, while the sides is the tuning / media player controls for the Bluetooth. Turn it to a better station. I don't want to play too much of that because I don't want to play any of that because it has copyright claim. So to set the time, all you do is to hold this button down, or probably this one. I think you have to turn it off just to set it. Well, you have to turn the radio off. So this button here, if you hold it down, it could go through the year. The time set button. It shows 2021 because that's the current year as you're watching this video. This one, you can change the time zone. Like 2 is Eastern, 1 is Atlantic. Well, 3, 4, 5 is the main. It doesn't change it to like European time zone. Wait, I have it set to Atlantic time. So you hold this button down and you push the right button and the left one. The left and right here. Like as you can see on the display. It's not currently 11:28. It's 12:28 right now, Eastern. And I don't know why I hit these buttons for some reason. And then I'm gonna set the alarm. I'm gonna set it to 12:29. 12. You hold this button and you push the center button on this one. So you can change put it to 12:30. So I put it at 12:30. Then I have it set to the radio. I'm not gonna wait 2 minutes. So I'm gonna turn on the radio. Back on. And this tunes in 100 kilohertz steps, so it tunes in the European frequencies, even though this is an American alarm clock. You're not gonna take this thing to Europe if you can. Yeah, this could tune all the way to the top of the band, 108.0 for the Europeans. I might turn the radio off again. Well, on the top, I think this is the alarm 1. You can set the alarm 1 and alarm 2. You can set the time. You can set the date, the year, date, and the time. So, and this one has a battery backup. And the battery's still good. It's like over 3 years old, and it still works just fine. So, kind of cool. And it has a USB port on the end, which I use it to charge various devices, including my radio receiver, because that's why it has the little red cable hanging out of it. And this is the back light, and this is the front light. This is really bright. Well, It only has 3 settings, that's all. Using these buttons here. Well, yeah, this alarm clock has some use and abuse over the years. And this thing is built like a tank. This thing chipped on the bottom over the years. This thing built like a tank. This could survive a beating. Like, if the alarm went off. You can hear it increasing in volume. Yeah, you can hear that? It's increasing in volume. Like, if you have like your favorite music station. Yeah, I have it on static right now, so that's gonna up. I hit the power button to dismiss it. I'm gonna set it to 1231. Turn the radio off and put it back on. Push this button here. No, that's 1230. I pushed the regular button. Push it here. There we go. And then set the radio to whatever your favorite station is. I say it's 92.3. It's pretending. I'll turn it off. Yep, the radio turns on. And then it's going to increase in volume. And then it's going to increase it even more and more and more. And there's a snooze button, but it's still blinking to know that the alarm is still active. So that's kind of cool. That probably has like a 5-minute snooze maybe. So that's kind of cool. On the bottom it shows you the model number. Model number CKS1507. 120 volts at 6 years. This only runs at 120 volts. It doesn't run on 240 volts. So if you're planning to take this to Europe, you need to buy a converter. Why is it not focusing? Come on, focus. Camera. There we go. Made in China. Yeah, there's a warning there. Not to take out the battery. It says do not open because this is unserviceable. So that's kind of cool. And that will be it.